How to recover photos lost after upgrading to macOS Big Sur. I updated to macOS Big Sur 11.0 to elevate my MacBook Pro. But, when I checked the Photos app after the upgrade, it was empty. If you are also facing such problems, let us show you 5 unique methods on how to restore missing photos on Mac after the Big Sur update. Method 1. Recover photos from the trash bin. Many people don't check their trash bin often. It's really important to check the trash at first after losing your photos. Go to the trash bin on your Mac by clicking the trash icon on your desktop. And search for the photos you were looking for. If you have found the photo, right-click on it, and select the Put Back option to restore your photos. Method 2. Check your photos in the Time Machine backup. Time Machine is a built-in proprietary backup mechanism for all Mac computers. Open Time Machine Backup on your Mac, and scroll through the local backups available with dates. Click on the date of your last backup before the Big Sur update. Then, search for the photos and preview them by pressing the spacebar. Select the required photos and click the Restore button to save all your lost photos. Method 3. Check your iCloud drive for the missing photos after the macOS update. You may be using iCloud to back up your Mac photos across Apple devices. Log into your iCloud account from iCloud.com through the browser, using Apple ID and password. Search for the deleted files in Photos. Then, select the desired photos and click the download icon to save them on your Mac. Method 4. Recover from Photos app. Open the Photos app. Then, go to the Recently Deleted option. Check for the photos or videos and click to restore the file to its original location. In the case of a macOS update, there is a very slight chance of recovering your photos through these methods. Instead, try Method 5. Method 5. Using a Mac photo recovery software. In case of no backup or not finding the lost photos in Trash or Recently Deleted option, using a professional photo recovery tool can be a game changer. Step 1. Download and launch Stellar Photo Recovery software on your Mac. Link will be in the description. Step 2. Select photos or videos, or both, in the What to Recover screen. Step 3. Select the location from where you want to recover photos lost after the macOS upgrade to Big Sur. Toggle on Deep Scan, and click Scan. The software displays the list of deleted photos. You can preview the pictures and select the ones which you want to restore. Step 4. Click Recover, and save the photos at the desired location on your Mac. All your pictures will be stored back to your desired location. You can trust Stellar Photo Recovery software for Mac, even when photos, videos, and audio files are lost due to deletion, formatting, or any other reasons. It recovers photos from Time Machine, camera memory cards, and other Mac-based storage devices, and more. Stellar Photo Recovery software. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome data recovery solutions.